For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Stop waiting hours for freezer ice. Get 9 cubes in 6 minutes and stay cool anytime, anywhere with Euhomy. If you've ever hosted a party or gone camping and suddenly realized you're out of ice, yeah, I've been there. That's exactly when I decided to get the Euhomy Countertop ice maker. And honestly, it's been one of the best small investments for my kitchen and road trips. This little black machine is built to make your life easier, fast, quiet enough to take anywhere. Here's what makes it a solid pick. The Euhomy ice maker can crank out its first 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. Seriously, I timed it. With its 1.2-liter water tank and powerful compressor, it produces up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours and stores about 1.3 pounds at a time, which is more than enough for a day's use or a small get-together. I tested it during a backyard barbecue, and it kept up perfectly without anyone waiting for a refill. And let's talk about noise, or rather the lack of it. It runs under 45 decibels, so it's as quiet as a mini fridge. I've left it on in my RV overnight, and it didn't disturb my sleep at all. It's super compact and easy to carry with its sturdy handle. Whether you're setting it up in your kitchen, taking it to your camper, or even using it at the office, it just works smoothly everywhere. The bullet-shaped ice is another thing I love. It's smooth, doesn't clump, and perfect for cold drinks, iced coffee, or even chewing. I use it daily for my morning cold brew. Melts slow, tastes great, and never dilutes too fast. Operation is simple. Just add water, press on/off, and the machine does the rest. It even has infrared sensors that flash when the basket is full or when you need to add more water. There's also a see-through window so you can watch the ice-making process, which is oddly satisfying. Powered by a 170-watt compressor, it's energy efficient, only 4 kWh 24 hours, and comes with a full set, ice basket, scoop, and manual. Plus, Euhomy backs it up with a 12-month warranty and lifetime tech support. I actually reached out to their customer team once, got a friendly response in less than an hour, which says a lot about their reliability. So, if you want a compact, fast, and trustworthy ice maker that truly delivers what it promises, the Euhomy Countertop Ice Maker is worth it. I've used it daily, from making iced coffee to road trips, and it hasn't disappointed once.